Welcome to Trailblazing Travels. Let's dive in. Comment below with your favorite backpacking route. Our first route takes us straight to the heart of the Inca Empire, to the legendary Inca Trail in Peru. This isn't just a hike, it's a journey through time. For 4 days, you'll trek through lush cloud forests, the air thick with humidity and the scent of ancient trees. The trail winds its way past crumbling Incan ruins, whispering tales of a mighty civilization. Each step is a physical challenge, but the real test is mental. Pushing your limits, testing your endurance, and digging deep to find that inner strength. And then, like a reward for your perseverance, you'll arrive at the Sun Gate, and there, spread out before you in all its glory, is Machu Picchu. The view will stop you in your tracks, trust me. But remember, this isn't a destination, it's a journey. And like any good expedition, preparation is key. Make sure to book your permits well in advance, as spots fill up quickly. Next, we venture south to Chilean Patagonia, a land of raw beauty and untamed wilderness. Here, amidst a landscape carved by glaciers and time, lies the Torres del Paine Circuit. This 8 to 10 day trek is not for the faint of heart. It's a test of your mettle, a challenge to face head-on. You'll be sharing the trail with condors soaring overhead, their shadows painting the ground beneath. You'll navigate rocky paths, ford glacial rivers, and feel the wind whip at your face as you push forward. And then you'll see them. The iconic granite towers piercing the sky like the teeth of a slumbering giant. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've left this rugged paradise. Remember, this is a true wilderness adventure, so come prepared with the right gear and the mental fortitude to match the terrain. From the icy peaks of Patagonia, we head north to the steamy jungles of Colombia, to a place shrouded in mystery and legend, the Lost City Trek. This isn't just a hike, it's an expedition into the heart of the unknown. For 5 days, you'll trek through dense jungle, following in the footsteps of ancient civilizations. The air is thick with humidity, the ground alive with the sounds of the rainforest. You'll cross rivers, navigate muddy trails, and feel the sweat stinging your eyes as you push deeper into the green abyss. But the reward is worth every drop. Deep within this emerald labyrinth lies Ciudad Perdida, the lost city, a testament to a civilization lost to time. Older than Machu Picchu, this ancient city is a haunting reminder of the power of nature and the resilience of the human spirit. As you stand amongst those moss-covered stones, you'll feel a connection to something ancient, something primal. Our journey through South America's best backpacking routes takes us back to Peru, to the Cordillera Huayhuash, where the Huayhuash Circuit awaits. This challenging 10 to 12 day trek is a true test of endurance, a physical and mental gauntlet thrown down amidst some of the most breathtaking scenery on Earth. Imagine this. You're trekking through high-altitude passes, the air thin and crisp, surrounded by towering peaks that seem to scrape the sky. Crystal-clear lakes reflect the azure heavens, their surfaces undisturbed, save for the ripples of a gentle breeze. You'll feel a sense of isolation here, a million miles from civilization, surrounded by the raw power of nature. But it's in this isolation that you truly connect with yourself, with the rhythm of your own heartbeat, the sound of your own breath. The Huayhuash Circuit is not for the faint of heart, but for those who dare to answer the call of the wild. The rewards are immeasurable. For those seeking a shorter but no less rewarding adventure, the Quilotoa Loop in Ecuador beckons. This 3 to 5 day trek through the Andean highlands is a feast for the senses, a vibrant tapestry of culture and nature woven together. Imagine this. You're trekking through rolling hills, the air alive with the scent of eucalyptus and the sound of distant panpipes. You'll pass through traditional villages where time seems to stand still, and the locals greet you with warm smiles and open hearts. You'll barter for handcrafted souvenirs in bustling markets, their colors as vibrant as the traditional clothing worn by the locals. And then, you'll arrive at the crown jewel of this trek, the Quilotoa Crater Lake. This turquoise gem, nestled within the caldera of a dormant volcano, is a sight that will leave you speechless. It's a reminder of the raw power that lies beneath the surface of this incredible planet. Our final destination takes us to Brazil, to a land of hidden waterfalls, shimmering plateaus, and adventures waiting to be had, the Chapada Diamantina. This national park is a playground for nature lovers, a place where you can choose your own adventure. Imagine this. You're trekking through valleys carved by ancient rivers, the air thick with the scent of wildflowers. Sunlight filters through the canopy, casting dappled patterns on the forest floor. You'll discover hidden caves adorned with ancient rock paintings, testaments to a time long past. You'll cool off with a dip in crystal-clear pools beneath cascading waterfalls, their cool spray a welcome respite from the tropical heat. Whether you choose a short-day hike or a multi-day trek, the Chapada Diamantina will leave you breathless with its raw beauty and untamed spirit. There you have it, the best backpacking routes in South America. Whether you're seeking ancient ruins, dramatic landscapes, or cultural experiences, these trails offer something for every adventurer. But remember, these treks are about more than just ticking off a bucket list. They're about pushing your limits, facing your fears, and discovering the strength that lies within. So, pack your bags, lace up your boots, and answer the call of the wild. Adventure awaits. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration from Trailblazing Travels. Happy trails!